What are you guys doing? Did you get your balloon? Wait, let her grab it, sweetheart. All right, Ella, slow down, honey. It's not fun for her. It's not fun for her if she can't catch it. She has more fun if she gets to catch it. Wait, stop. You're going to hurt yourself. Get it out from your feet. Oh my gosh. Ella. You got it, Bubba? Hey, sweetie.